Today we will be making DIY Jiggly slime.
For this project, you will need water,
A toothpick, food coloring, although this step is optional,
PVA glue,
a container,
and laundry detergent. First, add your glue to the container.
Now add an equal amount of water.
If the slime isn't as jiggly as you'd like it to be, you can add more water at a later step.
Now mix. This step could take a while. If you wanted to, now would be the perfect time to add food dye.
Once again, you'll need to mix. Now, add your laundry detergent.
You can use a different activator if you want to.
This is the finished product.
We wanted to test this Shimmer Fizz body lotion on the slime.
The slime expanded and became more bouncy.
Although the body lotion also made it sticky again.
The effects will eventually stop, and putting the slime into the fridge is an effective way of making it less sticky.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching!